Hi, today we continue with peripheral nervous system problems, and now we're going to give you a little theory about entrapment. Okay, what is entrapment? Entrapment is a mononeuropathy. What does mononeuropathy mean? Mono means one, neuro means nerve. Let me underline this. This is one, right? This is nerve, and this is disease condition. And what it means is it's a disease condition in one single nerve, and that happens particularly outside of the central nervous system or in the peripheral nervous system, right? So entrapment is one of those. There's a damage in one single nerve. It's not polyneuropathy where there's a damage of a lot of nerves. No, it's just mononeuropathy. It's just one nerve. And it's called nerve entrapment. What is entrapment? Entrapment is, nerves are fibers, strands here like that, right? Mm-hmm. Now, if there is a place where there's a bone here and there's a bone here, and somehow this gets compressed over and over, right, then there's damage in the nerve. That's what it means, entrapment. The compression repeatedly of a nerve that causes its damage, right? Now, the one we're going to study is the ulnar. You know what ulnar is? A little terminology. Ulnar means elbow. Okay, so the ulnar medial epicondyle, which is more or less like this. It's not exactly like this, but it's a little prominence here. And the nerve comes this way. The nerve is the red thing. It comes this way, and then it goes here through the ulnar medial epicondyle and continues into the arm and the hand, right? But here is where there's a problem. It could be entrapment here. It means a compression of the nerve over and over because there's a narrow bony passage right there. Okay, so that's what entrapment is. So you know more or less, you have to have an idea of what is it that we're coding, a little anatomical theory of the things that we're coding. Now, to give you a little better picture of what we're doing, we have a segment of a video that explains exactly in moving pictures what this problem is. So I'm going to hold the camera while Stephanie manages the computer. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, now let's hope that you can see the video. There it is. Can you play it? This is the medial epicondyle that I was telling you about, and that is you see, the inflammation of the nerve, that it becomes red because it passes to the epicondyle right there. Okay, that should be enough just to get an idea of what it is. Okay, now we have, I'm going to take a shot first of the theory. This theory is courtesy of Stephanie. She has made some research about nerve entrapment, and so you can pause it here and read it. And after you read it, we have in Quizlet we have a flashcard, electronic flashcards, and we're gonna have 9 questions about this theory. Okay, so let's start with Quizlet now. I'm going to read the first question, give you 2 to 3 seconds for you to answer, and then Stefan is going to give you the answer, and then we're going to switch. So, a type of mononeuropathy is NE.
Nerve entrapment.
Okay, next question. Characteristics of nerve entrapment are nerve damage and muscle weakness or A.
Atrophy.
Atrophy. Next. Peripheral trunks of the body are especially vulnerable to E.
Entrapment.
Okay. Entrapment is significant impairment because of repeated C of the nerve.
Compression.
Nerves that are prone to entrapment pass over rigid prominence or narrow B canals.
Bony.
Bony canals. Okay, now we're going to switch.
6. The common signs of entrapment are pain and muscular W.
Weakness.
7. Nerve damage by entrapment occurs more often when adjacent joints are affected by swelling and eye.
Inflammation.
8. Nerve entrapment is common in rheumatoid arthritis, pregnancy, and A.
Acromegaly.
9. Signs of nerve entrapment may also develop after repeated bruising of nerves by activities like knitting and prolonged W.
Walking. Okay, now we're going to finish this video by just an invitation for you to go to our website, and thanks for watching. Tomorrow we'll do the problem, but today you have to review the theory. Thanks.